All right, so number 3, we are adding rational expressions. So I have a fraction divided by or an expression divided by another expression, and we're adding the same thing. So step 1 is to factor, but there's nothing to factor here. So step 1 is done. Everything is factored. And then step 2 is find the common denominator. So I'm looking at my denominators. I have x minus 9 and x plus 7. I'm totally ignoring the numerator right now. Doesn't matter. What matters is that these are the same, and they're not even close to being the same. So what we do then is we multiply them by themselves. So this is going to be x plus 7. This is going to be x minus 9. And what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top of the fraction. So now I care what's on the numerator because I'm going to multiply those. Okay, so that's step 2, is find the common denominator. And I have to go look. And then we're going to add or subtract along that. So before we can add and subtract, we have to multiply all these. So I'm going to start with this one. X plus 7, x plus 9. I'm going to times this out. So x times x is x squared. X times 9 is 9x. 7 times x. And then 7 times 9 is 63. And the middle two are going to add to 16x. So this replaces to x squared plus 16x plus 63. Now let's do the same thing and multiply the denominator. So x plus 7, x minus 9. Let's multiply. X times x is x squared. X times negative 9 is negative 9x. 7 times x is 7. 7 times negative 9 is negative 63. And the middle two combine to negative 2x. So my denominator, remember it's the same on both. We just did that. X plus 7, x minus 9. It's right here. Same. That's what makes it common. So x squared minus 2x minus 63. And now let's do our one last one right here. X minus 7, x minus 9. So x times x is x squared, x times negative 9, negative 7, and then negative 7, negative 9 is positive 63, and the middle two combine to negative 16. So now I have x squared minus 16x plus 63. All right, now that everything's multiplied out, now we can do step 3 where we add along the numerator because we're adding. So the denominator stays the same and we just write it once. And then we have on the top x squared plus 16x plus 63 plus x squared minus 16x plus 63. Because we're adding, everything just goes together on the numerator. If we were subtracting, we would have to distribute the negative and make sure we subtract every term. But we are just adding. So let's combine like terms. I have x squared plus x squared. 2x squared. 16x minus 16x is 0. Goes away. I'm not even going to write it. The last one, 63 plus 63 is 126. And then I'm going to have my common denominator. So my last step is simplify. And sometimes we have to refactor and things cancel out. Here, we already know what this is factored as x plus 7, x plus 9, which we're not going to get here. From 2x squared plus 126 The only common thing here is a 2 if we're really going to factor. Nothing to cancel out. So we're going to leave it like this. Okay, you don't have to factor, but sometimes factors do cancel out. This one they don't. So let's go here and do 2x squared plus 126 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 63. Here we go.